We've got some really good ideas to future-proof Isabel and Dave's home. So we've come to you guys because things have been happening lately. We've had storms, we've had floods, we've had fires, and we think it'd be a great idea to have a backup plan when that sort of stuff happens.
And it's no mystery that weather is becoming more and more unpredictable, like my teenagers' moods. So what are your solutions?
And that's where battery system comes into play. I mean, it's the perfect complement to a solar power system,
Yep.
whereas you can store that excess electricity, and in the case of a blackout, there's enough electricity in there to maybe power just the essential items of the home.
Oh, great.
Nice.
And
So what type of batteries are they? Are they little AA's or AAA's, or what are we talking about here?
They're a little bit bigger these days. So we've got one right behind us. This is the
okay.
SENEC V3 hybrid. It's what we call an all-in-one system, which means that it has the solar inverter and the batteries included.
Wow.
So you just need to add your solar panels and off you go, basically.
So that stores energy. That actually sort of brings it in.
That's right.
So how much energy can it store, and how long does that stored energy last?
This particular model comes in two sizes. It's 4.5 kilowatt hours or 9 kilowatt hours, which suits a modest home. I wouldn't recommend it for something which has a lot of things like a pool, pool heating, that kind of stuff.
Okay.
But for an average person who's a bit worried about any power outages, this product here supplies backup.
Yep.
It will last several hours. You can dedicate a circuit to that backup. So whether that's your fridges or your lights, you can dedicate one power point to charge your phone.
Xbox controller, all
Absolutely, you've got to charge your controllers.
that. Of course you do,
Yep.
mate.
so saving money, that's something that everybody wants to do.
That's
and
the big thing.
Dave and Isabel, I know that would really help them out too. So
Yeah.
something like this would be good to...
Absolutely.
I'd be interested in that too.
It's got a dedicated battery charger, so
Yep.
any energy that you don't use goes straight into the battery, and you can save that for the evenings or if you get a blackout.
Amazing. Well, this sounds like probably exactly what we're looking for.
And
So-
something to give us the edge in the competition.
Absolutely.
Because Isabel and Dave's house, we want to make it like our pitch, the best pitch.
Yep.
And I think this would be amazing for
And
them.
as we know, the main thing in life is winning.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Thank you.
That was great. We've learned lots,
Yeah.
but we're probably just a little bit concerned about budget and how we're going to stretch it.
Yeah, we got to be creative here with budget because it's pretty tight.
Yeah, there are solutions around that. I mean, what I'd probably get you guys to consider is a solution where you can buy now, pay later, and then use the actual savings from the solar power system itself to cover the cost of the system through one of our Payright partners.
All right, this
Perfect.
sounds like the way
Yeah.
to go, I reckon.
Absolutely.
Thanks, buddy. Thanks for
Thank you.
today.
You're welcome. Thanks, guys. All the best.